Instapage versus Unbounce is a common comparison among marketers who want to improve their landing page performance. Both tools help you build pages quickly, test variations, and improve conversions without relying on a developer. But they each have a different feel, workflow, and focus. Understanding those differences will help you choose the one that actually fits your marketing style and the scale of your campaigns. Instapage focuses heavily on creating personalized landing page experiences for different audiences. The interface is clean and precise, and it allows you to drag and place elements anywhere you want. This makes design feel natural, especially if you value visual control. One of the biggest strengths of Instapage is how well it supports team collaboration. If your marketing team has copywriters, designers, and media buyers all working together, Instapage helps keep everything aligned through shared blocks and reusable layouts. You can build something once and apply it across many pages, which is helpful when running multiple campaigns at the same time. Instapage also emphasizes fast-loading pages, which matters a lot for conversion performance on both ads and search traffic. Unbounce, on the other hand, puts more focus on flexibility and experimentation. It is known for making it easy to launch pages quickly and test ideas fast. If you run a lot of campaigns, experiment often, or want to adjust copy and layouts on the fly, Unbounce can feel very natural. It offers multiple layout styles, pop-ups, sticky bars, and tools that help capture leads outside of just landing pages. It also includes dynamic text replacement, which allows the landing page to match the exact phrase a visitor searched for. This is powerful for paid advertising because it increases relevance and improves the chances that someone takes action. Where Unbounce really shines is in testing. The platform makes it simple to try new versions of pages without breaking anything. If you are the type of marketer who likes to test headlines, buttons, images, and layouts often, Unbounce gives you the freedom to experiment at a fast pace. Both tools are strong performers in the landing page space. The best choice depends on how you build and optimize campaigns. If your goal is scaling and collaboration, Instapage stands out. If your goal is speed and testing, Unbounce may be the better fit. Either way, the most important part of landing page success is not just the builder. It's how consistently you test, learn, and refine your message.